What is up? What is up? What is up, everybody? It's your girl Christian Chanel, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my half up, half down hairstyle using the brand new, just released Raw Essence clip-in extensions and Velcro ponytail. Y'all bitches don't know nothing about that Velcro ponytail. That's that new, okay? It's that new. So both links will be down in the description box below. You guys definitely click on the links, check it out, go ahead and buy. When I say this hair showed out, just wait until the end of the video so you guys can see how freaking gorgeous this hair was. I used the RAW Laotian wavy, and baby, when I tell you this hair hit, whew, Jesus Christ. So I parted my hair into two sections. The back section will be for the clip-ins and the front section will be for the ponytail. You guys, I was in a rush this day because I had somewhere to go. So my parting is going to be hella crazy during this video. Please do not judge me. I mean, it just is what it is. I'm not a hairstylist, but I did the best that I could do. And for this, I also used the Raw Essence Edge Control. It is unreleased, you guys. It has not yet been released, so it's top secret, okay? Top secret alert. Whew, you guys. But you guys just see how it performs. I really love it. My hair was dirty, so you know, yeah. I also used the Fantasia liquid mousse spritz just to give my hair some of that like extra hold. And then also do not forget, like, before you actually secure your ponytail, make sure that you comb all of the product through the base of your hair. Make sure that you brush all the product through the base of your hair, get all the lumps, kinks, knots, whatever out before you secure the ponytail. Okay. So for this part, I am just braiding the hair and the ponytail, and I'm going to wrap it in a circle just so it can be out of the way when I start working on the back section of my hair. And I'm just going to, like, you know, throw some bobby pins up in that joint, boom, boom, bop, and be done with it. Now, I hope you guys didn't think I forgot about my baby hair. You guys know I'm the baby hair queen out here. Yes, sis, yes. You better get with that swoop. Okay, swoop. After I'm done laying down my baby hairs, I do quickly, just really quickly wrap it with the scarf and just like let it sit for a nanosecond. You guys, like I said, I was in a rush, so literally it was like a nanosecond. So I am taking my Conair electric hot comb and I am just doing a single pass through the sections of my hair. Then I'm taking my Baby Bliss 1-inch flat iron and I am just going back through the sections and then doing like a little curl towards the end, because I definitely want for my hair to blend with the clip-in extensions. Okay, so now is the moment of truth. I am parting my hair into not so great sections, and I am going to be taking a comb and just, gently teasing the roots of my part, and I'm going to be putting the clip-ins in. Okay, sis, yes, come through, Lynn, come through. Y'all, this raw Laotian is no joke. Do you see how just effortlessly it blends with my natural hair? Like, it's freaking amazing. Like, it's just Jesus Christ. Like, wow. So once you get to the top of your hair, make sure that you try to leave enough leave out to cover, all the clip-ins that you have. And, for me, I really love my hair to be like super thick and full. So I am just taking some of the itty bitty pieces that come with the 220 grams of clip-ins, which I really love the fact that it comes with these little pieces. And I'm just putting them strategically throughout the hair to make like a little bit more oomph. Just give it a little bit more volume. So now on to the ponytail. I am just going to quickly unbraid this section of my hair and then throw some curls into this section using the Baby Bliss 1.5 inch curling iron, and I'm just going to curl little pieces throughout the ponytail. Next, I'm going to take the Velcro ponytail and I'm going to clip that bad boy in at the base of my ponytail. I'm going to take the Velcro piece, the Velcro hair piece, and I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail base. Go ahead and secure the Velcro. Woof! Yes, yes. And just wrap it around so you get that nice seamless ponytail look. I must say, I really like how high this ponytail is sitting. It's giving me like major Spice Girl vibes. Like, I just freaking love. Also, for this part, I did bobby pin that little hair piece in the front. I suggest you actually bobby pin the hair in the back because as you see, you can still like see the bobby pin. So that is something I definitely would have changed. Just as the finishing touch, you know, I didn't want my little side hairs to feel left out. I went ahead and just bumped them with that curling iron. And then I am done. I am done. Yes. Look at it blend. Okay. Yes, sis. Yes.